I'm Wane One, and we're standing here in White Plains, New York, in front of ArtsWestchester, where I just finished painting my latest mural. ArtsWestchester is a non-profit that brings art into the community of White Plains. Music, dance, painting, shows, there's different things going on in the gallery, and they also do residencies. They have all sorts of artists working inside the building. This mural was part of a celebration for their 20th anniversary. People know me for painting murals for 2 or 3 decades now. As time goes on, my murals get more serious into scale and also detail. What makes this mural different as opposed to other murals I've painted, it's on asphalt, it's on the ground. I was able to let go of the lettering, the traditional graffiti. So it's deconstructed, breaking away the letters and then letting the color and the shape tell the story. It took us about a week and a half to finish the whole mural. First, we laid down a latex acrylic-based sealer, then coated it with a primer. After that, the process was to grit it. And then from there, we slowly sketched out the mural to scale it to the sketch that I had proposed to ArtsWestchester. We used Montana spray paint. And once we was finished, we power washed it, and then we laid down a clear coat. We added a grit, which gives it some grip, so that way when the mural is wet, it won't be slippery.
This is awesome, we love it.
Just want to say thank you to all the people at ArtsWestchester. Everybody's been just more than amazing. I can't express how grateful I am to do the project and to work with the people. Peace. Wane One. Should I start walking?